Hi everyone, I'm Kyle, this is Leong. In this video, we'll introduce you to a digital teaching tool that we believe holds powerful potential for engaging student learning, Whiteboard.chat. It's a free, web-based interactive whiteboard that allows students and teachers to collaborate in real time without needing accounts or logins. It works across all devices and operating systems, making it very accessible to our students. One thing that we would like to point out before you get started with your lessons with your students is that the interactive whiteboard has a really good and detailed tour through all of its different features, and you just press yes please on it and you can work your way through all the different tools and aspects and features. And one thing that we really recommend to our future teaching colleagues is that you go through this tour with your students. That way you make sure they all see together how to use the software and how to make the most of all the features that Whiteboard has, and saves from having lots of questions coming at you in the future if they try skipping ahead.
Next, I'm going to walk you through three key features: how to set up a classroom, how to manage your students' boards, and how to create interactive learning activities. The first thing is how to create your classroom. It's really easy. Just go to the website and click Start a Class. That's it. You are now in your own virtual classroom and your whiteboard is ready. Now, how do you share your classroom with your students? Click the Invite button in the right top menu. You will see several options to share the class. The simplest way is just to copy the link and send it to your students. When they open it, they will automatically join as students, no login needed. The second part is how to manage the board. First, you can name your teacher board so it's easy to recognize. To demonstrate how this works, I'm going to open a demo student. You can do this by clicking the three dots in the right corner, then select Open Demo Student. Now you will see a student has joined into your class. We can act as a student here. Go back to teacher's whiteboard. Now you will see student here. To view student boards at once, click Grid View. This gives you a full overview of everyone's progress in real time. You can also go back to single view and select participants to manage individual students here. You can enter a student's board, leave comments, or gently erase something they are going off track, maybe a little doodle or misplaced shape. Now let's disable showing case. Let's talk about interaction. For example, say I'm going to teach 2D shapes in math. First, I upload a worksheet by clicking the upload icon on the left toolbar. Then I upload some shape images that I want students to sort. If you want to resize it, click the Move and Resize button and adjust it. Another one here. Again, resize it, drag it. Okay, to make these images interactive, click the select arrow on the left sidebar, and then click on the image. In the right top corner, click and select Enable Student Move. This step is really important. If you don't enable this option, students won't be able to interact with your content. So let's take a look at from the student's perspective. If a shape has student movement enabled, they can drag it into the right category. If not, the image is locked and they can't be moved. So be sure to check that setting. I've added the student whiteboard on paper, so feel free to click the link and try it out yourself.
From a theoretical lens, Whiteboard.chat aligns well with Vygotsky's zone of proximal development. Teachers can scaffold student learning in real time by nudging them forward just beyond their current ability. It also reflects constructivist principles. Students actively create, manipulate, and interact with content to build understanding rather than passively consuming information. Lastly, research shows that tools like this promote student engagement and metacognition. As Borup in 2020 notes, real-time collaborative tools increase student accountability and make thinking visible, especially in online or hybrid environments.